I want to point two things out to our viewers. One, that the Home Minister has now reached Srinagar. Two, we're just learning that there are two foreign nationals of Indian origin who've also been attacked. So there are two foreign nationals apparently who've also been killed in this Jammu and Kashmir attack. I want to go across to Dr. Tara Kartha. She's been Director of the National Security Council Secretariat, NSCS, has the larger strategic outlook on India's national security. Dr. Kartha, welcome. From the perspective of what the Pak Army chief has been saying, comparing Muslims to Hindus, signaling the fact that the lady says they asked for the name to determine whether that person is of a certain religion or not and then attack them. All that seems very, very insidious. I mean, usually when terrorists open fire, they would typically open fire on everyone. They're not going and asking people. That almost seems as if that's a very deliberate targeting that they're doing. That's a message that they're trying to send.
I think it is you're absolutely right, Rahul. But I just want to come in here since we've watched this for decades. I mean, this kind of thing going on. See, normally, even if it's a foreign terrorist group, there will be some local support. Otherwise, they can't operate. Right?
Sure.
Normally, that is what it happens. In this case, I can guarantee no locals will support an attack in Pahalgam at this point of time because they are losing money. They will lose heavily because it's going to hit the Amarnath Yatra. This is the time when that region makes a lot of money. You get what I'm going with this? So it is somebody who has come across, which is why I'm saying there is it's a bit mystifying because the normal terrorists, quote unquote normal terrorists, will know that the locals are going to get extremely angry with this. So
Correct.
this is a slap in your face. And it has been delivered just days after General Munir went on record and told those Pakistani expatriates that Kashmir is a jugular vein. So, what message is he sending? And we cannot, even if you want to sort of say that, we'll ask Pakistan to cooperate, given the numbers, given the nature, given the kind of state, the number of states which are involved, nationals, people from so many states, there is something very wrong here. This is asking for trouble. If indeed the Pakistan link is 100%, in my view, it's already there. This is going to go into some very bad places.
Okay.